Yes, good morning. In this class, we are going to study the stages in the construction of a house. In the last class, what we have studied, do you remember? Did you observe anywhere the construction of a house, home is going on, the building or anywhere? If not, please observe them. So, how many people are working together to construct a home? There are many. First the mason, then the plumber, then painter, electrician, and many people are working. Then the architecture. First the architecture. These many people are constructing a home to design, to paint, give the good look. We feel happy when we see a house, isn't it? So that is why now today we'll learn the construction of a house. The different stages are there. Different stages are there. The first stage is the site preparation. We go and see which place is nice to construct a house. So we will clean. Site preparation means cleaning the ground. Sometimes it so happens that uneven ground, on the uneven ground we cannot construct. So that is why whatever the big stones are there, that will be removed, and big trees are there, that also will be removed from the place. They will cut down, they will clean the place, and they will prepare the site. That is called the site preparation. And the trenches are dug to lay the foundation. Next, the foundation. The function of the foundation is to give support to the building, give pillars. They will be digging. You might have seen like this. The holes are there. They will dig up hole and they will start putting the iron rods. These are the 4 rods they will put it, and they will tie with the thin wires, iron wires they will tie, and in that they will pour the cement, gravel and water. These many things they will take those things and put it here. See here, you can see in the textbook also, many people are working for the site preparations. Can you see this? Before that, how it was? The ground was uneven, the place was uneven. The final job is to clear the site of any trees. They are cutting down the trees. Many people are working here. You can see the bulldozer also is there to remove the stones and rocks, debris, and level the site. Then the trenches are dug to make the foundation. Trenches means big holes. They will dig the holes. Then the foundation. Coming to this, you can see the pillars are there. Can you see these pillars? To give support. The function of the foundation of a house is to support the weight of the house and to provide a level surface to build the house on the foundation. The foundation can be built out many different things such as stones, then concrete, gravel. These many things they will pour into this, and it will be big pillars. Those are the pillars. Pillars will give support to the roofs, walls and all. It will carry the weight of the full house, this thing. Then roof. Then after that they will be constructing the roof. This is the top roof. They will construct with the help of iron poles. You might have seen the iron poles and iron plates are there. Iron poles are like this. You can see the support is like this. These are the iron poles, and the iron plates are also kept above this. On this they will be pouring the what? The mixture of stones, cement and sand and water. These are the mixtures they will be pouring in this, and they will leave it for curing for few days. Then this will be removed. This will be removed. So the roof is prepared. Then next, coming to the walls. After this, the walls are built with the help of bricks, cement, water and sand. You can see here how the walls are being built. Can you see the walls are built up of bricks. The material is poured into these trenches dug and then allowed to cure for few days. Then the pillars. Pillars are built. After the foundation, the pillars are there. Here this is the pillars. P-I-L-L-A-R-S. The pillars. The pillars are built by pouring concrete into frames of steel rods. These are the rods. In between this, the pillars are there. In between this, the cement and gravel, small stone stand. This is the mixture of this. They will pour and keep those pillars. Then roofs are built on that. On the pillars, the roof is built. After that, the walls. In between these pillars, the walls are constructed. Just now you have seen the walls are constructed. Then the roof. You can see the roof. Next, frame of steel rods are where concrete is poured on the frames. The concrete is poured on the frames. Then next step is the laying of bricks. Next step is what? Laying of bricks. You can see here in this. These are the bricks. Laying the bricks. You can see the mason is constructing a wall, putting the bricks on each to make the walls of the house. Then the next one is what? Connection. Giving connection. Electrician comes and he will lay the pipelines. Through the pipe only all the wires are putting into that and giving the connections. You can see the switches, boards, and it will be fitted into that. Then after that, plastering. The walls and the ceilings are covered with the thin layer of cement and sand, water. Cement, sand and water, a thin layer of that. Otherwise, if you are constructing bricks and not plastering on that, how it looks? It looks very odd. That's why to cover the bricks, what we are doing it? We are covering this with the thin layer of cement, sand and water to give good look, to give finishing. The walls and the ceiling are then covered with a layer of cement, sand and water. This is what? Plastering. What is plastering? Covering the bricks, giving the good look. They will give a thin layer of sand, cement and water to cover all the bricks. So it is called the plastering. Then flooring. Then again after that, flooring means tiles. They will put cement and above flooring, and then comes to the doors and windows. They'll fit the either the metal or the wooden frames. See, this is the floor, top floor, and these are the pillars, and after that this is the flooring. These are the pillars. You can see the small one which is pillars, and the roof is also covered with this. Then these are the walls. You can see. After that, here it is flooring. You can tiles and all. It will be set up. They do the flooring. Then paint doors and windows are fitted here in this, whether wooden or iron, any type of, they will fit. The windows are also why do we need a window? Because through the window only we will get the sunlight, air. It should enter the sunlight through the window only. Air also, fresh air also we get from the windows. And wire mesh also is fitted to this window. Why? Because the small insects should not enter in our house. That's why wire mesh are fitted to the window. Then doors are also protected. We need doors to close the door. Any stranger or animal should not enter into that. Then these frames are fitted into the walls. Then they will start constructing the whole thing. So final with the drills to make the house safe from thieves and animals. So then painting. Painter will come and he will start painting to the building with colorful, with our choice, whichever color we like, they will start painting to give the good look. It is a finishing. It is a finishing for a house. Then you can see how the building looks very beautiful. Balconies and all. As per our design, architecture will come and design the house. As per the designing, how the home is built with the help of many people working together. It is not so easy to work to construct a house. So that's why. How many people are constructing an architecture, then mason, electrician, plumber, then these many people are working together. Carpenters, the main function of this. Can you see? The painter is painting a house. Painting, the final stage is painting. Painting gives the house the finishing touch and makes it ready for you to occupy the house. Is it not? So these many stages are there. Now what are the stages are there in this? Stages in construction of a house. Site preparation first is there, to remove big stones or whatever the trees are there in between, that will be removed and make the place evenly. Then the foundation, they dig the trenches, big holes, and they put the pillars into that. They pour gravel, cement, etc. Those materials are poured into that. Then the pillars will be kept here. Means with the help of iron rods, they'll tie the 4 iron rods together in this. Then they'll fit into that and pouring the mixture of cement, stone and water and sand they'll be putting, and the roof is constructed on that with the help again the mixture of cement, sand and water. The stones. This is then the walls are constructed beside. Why do we need? We have to construct a pillar because pillar will be carried. It can carry the weight. It supports to the weight of a house and the walls. Then the connection is given. Connection. Electricians will come and they will give the light connections and all. So putting the pipes and all. Then plastering. Plastering means that is the stage where they can put the thin layer of cement, water and sand and they will cover all the bricks and all. Then leave it for the curing for a few days. Then next comes to the flooring, whichever tiles we like or marbles. So they will leave for the flooring. The flooring is the first covered with cement and then the tiles are laid. First covered with the cement and then they laid the tiles. The doors and windows. You can see the doors and windows also here. How nicely this house is constructed. The doors and windows also you can see. Metallic or wooden, any type of doors are fitted into that and then they will construct the walls around it. So these many stages are there in constructing a house. Many people they work together. In our next class we will be seeing the types of houses. Thank you.